Found a couple of cool things by the dumpster. Looks like a nice little parrot frame. And I also found something else here, scooter. So let's go ahead and list these on OfferUp and make some money today. So somebody wants to buy this scooter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick it up from here because you can't just leave it in the alley. Otherwise they'll know I found it. So I recently got a garage, and what I can do is I could just put this trash in my garage. They think I'm just storing these things in my garage. It's good enough. Hey, how you doing?
Hi, doing good.
Right here. Taking this for your kid?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's $5. Alright.
This is how we do it.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
You can try it out if you want.